In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up paid subscriptions in beehiiv. If you want to start monetizing your newsletter and offer premium content to your audience, beehiiv makes the setup process pretty straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact flow so you can get your paid subscription options ready with confidence. To begin, open your beehiiv dashboard and look at the left-hand panel. From there, navigate to the paid subscriptions section. This is where you'll manage everything related to premium access and paid membership options. Once you're in that area, go ahead and enable the premium features. This is an important first step because it unlocks the tools you need to start charging subscribers for exclusive content. After that, you'll need to connect a Stripe account so payments can be processed properly. Stripe is the payment provider beehiiv uses for handling transactions, so this connection is what allows you to securely collect payments from your subscribers. As you go through this part, make sure the account you connect is the one you want to use for your publication, since that will be tied to your payouts. Once that's connected, the next step is to create your custom membership tiers. This is where you define the subscription options your audience will see. You can tailor these tiers based on how you want to package your premium offering, whether that's a single paid level or multiple options for different types of readers. As you create a tier, add a clear name and description. This helps subscribers quickly understand what they're getting. Try to make the name simple and the description easy to scan, especially if you're offering exclusive posts, bonus editions, or other premium perks. Next, choose the currency and then select the payment type. beehiiv gives you flexibility here, so you can decide whether the subscription is recurring, one-time, or pay what you want. The right option depends on your business model and the kind of experience you want to offer your audience. If you want predictable, ongoing revenue, recurring may be the best fit. If you're offering a standalone premium product, a one-time option might make more sense. Finally, you can add additional purchase options, such as a gift subscription or a group subscription. These can be useful if you want to make your paid offering more flexible and accessible for different kinds of buyers. When everything looks good, click Create in the top right corner, and that's it. Your paid subscription setup will be ready to go in beehiiv. Once it's live, you can start directing readers to your premium offer and building a paid subscriber base around your content.